Good morning, just woke up, having an espresso, got ready. Fort Lauderdale, Florida, baby. We're gonna be here for one more night. Flew in yesterday evening, full day today, and then tomorrow we go on a cruise. But let's explore Fort Lauderdale and the Hilton Beach Club. So far, the Hilton Beach Club, amazing. Taking a leisurely stroll, going to Las Olas Boulevard. Pretty humid out here, but the views, woo, look at this. Absolutely love it. Gotta say, it's a nice street. Plenty of shops, boutiques, restaurants, bars. Speaking of bars, might have to be hitting one up here soon, but beautiful day in Fort Lauderdale. There's Mom. All right, gonna go check out the beach. With the Hilton Beach House, they have like an area right on the beach with towels, loungers, that comes with the room. And then if you want an umbrella, it's an additional $35, but we're gonna go out there and hang out, put our feet in the water and hang out. All right, so we just checked in, gave them your room number, and we're all set up. Vacation mode hasn't started already. It has now. Beach and cocktails. Like I said, right outside of the Hilton. You just walk on over, check in, and you're all set up.
Nope. You take that photo, friend. Travel, explore the world, do what you love. Because all of this, it won't be around forever. You go live the life that you want to live. Because one day you're going to look back and then you'll say, yeah, I've lived. So you go chase the dream, friend. You live this life as best you can. Every bit of it. That's all I got to say. Alright? I'll see you on the other side. Love.
Just wrapped up dinner at S3 for the second night in a row. Go back to the room and get ready for tomorrow's embarkation. Can't wait. All right, checking out the Hilton Beach House for embarkation day on the Sun Princess. Let's go take one last look around the resort, check it out, and then when we come back, I'll show you the room. A lot of travel vlogs show the room at the beginning. They never show it at the end and actually tell you how it was, so that's what I plan on doing. So don't mind the mess, it is what it is. All right, this is a pool area. It's about 8:30. Not really anybody out here, just a couple people. It's actually beautiful, but I want to go over there where you can see the ocean. Let's go take a walk. Looks like we got some cabanas up there. Look at this. Could have a cabana right there, and then right here, you're immediately on the ocean. Day beds and loungers. And you are on the freaking ocean. How cool is that? It is beautiful. Down here they're doing yoga. Absolutely love it. And again, look at all these loungers looking right onto the ocean, guys. Again, the Hilton Beach House, absolutely worth every penny in my opinion. I'm definitely booking this next time we are in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Oh, there's a little jacuzzi over here. I didn't even see that. But then there's the pool and the entire building. Our room was on the 11th floor on this side. Over here we have the cafe, serves breakfast and lunch. It's not open for dinner though, so keep that in mind. And then right next to this cafe is the gym. I didn't really want to take video in there. There was people working out, so didn't want to mess with them. But that's it. One last look at the Hilton Beach House. Thank you. We definitely will be back. Now keep it locked in for what we got coming up next. Just kidding. I think we're gonna grab a quick breakfast here at the cafe. What's it called? It's called Ilio's breakfast menu. Let's check it out. Have some light fare before we go on to the next thing. All right, just gonna have an everything bagel, just a little snack. With this view. And off to the next thing, let's go. All right, quick tour of the room. Like I said, very nice. Little coffee station. Mini stove, little wet bar. And as you come into the main, 2 queen beds, very comfortable. Big mirror. Little workstation, big TV. Plenty of room, guys. This room is actually really nice. We actually really loved it. But the star of the show is the balcony. It's actually a little mini wraparound. Little corner over here, but really nice. Check that out. Show you the bathroom real quick. Hello, Mom. Big bathroom. Nice shower. Then you also have a hot tub. Your mirror. But, like I said, beautiful room. Perfect amenities. Now we're officially off to the next thing. Look at this bad boy. Oh!
Seriously, my stomach's